When many people think of organic produce, they think of a more natural, more healthy alternative to the regular fruits and vegetables that you find in stores. For many customers, the peace of mind in knowing you won't be consuming any extra chemicals is well worth the increase in price tag at the local organic market. But what does organic really mean? What are pesticides? Is organic food more healthy than non-organic food? In this video, we will answer the question, does organic equal pesticide-free? So first, we'll start by talking about what is a pesticide. Pesticides are defined as a substance used for destroying insects or other organisms harmful to cultivated plants or to animals in the dictionary. In summation, pesticides are used to protect plants from everything from insect infestation to fungal infections. While that does sound good, there is a reason that many people choose to go organic. While many of the active ingredients in most pesticides are harmless, the regulation of ingredients and amount used on produce has different regulations in different countries.
An example taken from Beyond Pesticides research page states the U.S. government lists creosotes as a hazardous waste under Superfund regulations, yet allow these chemicals to be listed as inert ingredients in pesticide products. Creosotes are known to produce skin and eye irritations, burns, inflammation, blindness, pneumonia, pancreatitis, central nervous system, depression, and kidney failure. This example shows us that while pesticides may be helpful, the long-term effects could be more dangerous than you think. Furthermore, after studying synthetic chemicals found in most pesticides, researchers found that over half of them are carcinogenic or cancer-causing. When compared to natural pesticides, researchers were shocked to see that about half of the natural chemicals were carcinogenic as well. This shows that researchers, farmers, and most importantly, consumers were fooled by the organic logo on the package. It is now proven that natural does not automatically mean it is harmless.
What does organic really mean? Organic can be defined simply as plants or animals grown without the use of chemical pesticides, growth hormones, or artificial agents to affect their development. In short, organic should mean that no extra chemicals go into the produce, and everything is natural. Yet in a test done by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, over 20% of the so-called organic lettuce found in stores were full of pesticide residue.
So does organic automatically mean pesticide-free? The real answer is no. In America, you may be allowed to use a pesticide spray or powder that was derived from natural sources, and the produce could still be considered organic. The pesticide must have no artificial ingredients, and the equipment used to apply the natural pesticide must have had nothing synthetic ran through it for at least 3 years prior. Even the land you grow your organic produce on must be synthetic-free for 3 years. Farmers also have introduced a variety of mechanical tools to aid the removal of bugs and fungi. These include bug traps, the releasing of predatory insects or microorganisms, and the selection of and breeding of disease-resistant strains of crops. However, even with these regulations and preventive measures in place, in most states in America allow a variety of chemicals in so-called organic produce. In fact, in Alabama, Tennessee, Hawaii, Delaware, and Mississippi have absolutely no governing laws when it comes to organic regulation. It is mainly due to the strong protection and defense of synthetic chemicals. In a recent study done by the Department of Agriculture, it was shown that it took 7 applications of a natural pesticide to reach the same effect and barriers as 2 applications of a synthetic pesticide. In addition, an active ingredient found in natural pesticide was proven to be incredibly toxic to fish and aquatic life. This poses the question, which pesticide is truly better for ourselves and the environment?
Truthfully, it is very hard to distinguish which pesticide is better in the long term. However, it is clear when you go to your local market for organic produce, you probably aren't getting exactly what you pay for.